Windows Vista has a new technology, it's called ReadyBoost, that allows you to use a USB drive, an SD card or secure digital card, or a compact flash card as removable memory to augment or add to your system's memory or RAM and boost performance. And I mean by performance, meaning that when you open up a lot of applications and you find that it's slow to open them up or slow to close them, things seem slow, they're not as fast, well, that's performance. And that means that you've got too many programs open, it can't handle all that, or it doesn't have enough memory. To find out how much memory you have, you can watch the System Information Training video, or you can click on Start, come up here and right-click on Computer and go to Properties. Now right now I have 8 gigabytes of solid memory on my computer, and I say solid. If I start going beyond 8 gigabytes, or what the memory can handle, they have what's called virtual memory. In other words, it's not as fast as your regular random access memory, RAM. It's memory that's on your hard drive. It's memory that's further away from your computer or your main part of your computer, your CPU or central processing unit. Think of it like this. If you have to go down the street to get a cup of sugar versus going next door, which is going to be faster? Well, next door is the RAM here. Down the street is the hard drive. So if you run out of memory here, you got 20 billion applications open and it's used up all the memory, it starts using up virtual memory. And virtual memory off the hard drive down the street is kind of slow. So what you can do is you can augment or add to memory something that's a little bit closer. It's not going to be next door, but it's not going to be down the street. It's going to be in between by using the USB key or again your SD or compact flash cards. Find a USB key that's between 1 to 4 gigabytes. Windows Vista says that that's about as much as it can give you or augment or add in addition to your memory here is up to 4 gigabytes. Okay? So that way it allows me to open up more applications, or in this case, if I have more applications open, it's not going to slow me down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my USB key over here and plug it into my computer's USB port, give it a second or two, and I get the prompt. Do I just want to go ahead and open up my USB drive and view files and folders on it, or do I want to go ahead and speed up my system using Windows ReadyBoost? If I want to do it using Windows ReadyBoost, go ahead and click on the link here. Give it a second or two, it'll pull up the ReadyBoost, and it says, speed up your system by utilizing available space on this device. Do not use this device, or go ahead and select use this device, and how much space do you want to reserve or be added to your memory here? Up to 3,730 megabytes. Or about 1,000 megabytes for 1 gigabyte. So I could add up to about 3.7 gigabytes to my 8 gigabytes here. So if I use the device, go ahead and click Apply, click OK. Now it's running. I have extra memory on my computer. It's being augmented or added to the 8 gigabytes. It won't show here. Just go ahead and start using your computer and hopefully you'll find that the performance has increased. It's a little bit faster, especially if you're running several applications at once. When you're finished, well, let me close out of here. Double click on the computer, and remember it's the hard drive, Kensington. Right click and then go ahead and click on Safely Remove. And then it says Safe to remove your hardware. Once I get that little prompt, I can go ahead and unplug my USB key from my computer and use it some other time. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.